Hi, hey everybody, today we'll do another video. And today we will continue on circuit um, circuit analysis, and we will do another topic that is called superposition. Um, so basically what this does, um, is that actually allows us to cancel some circuit and be able to keep another circuit either closed or open, right? But it allows us to cancel one at a time and be able to just keep one source of the circuit at a time, right? Um, I guess the word cancel would be, um, I guess that would be a appropriate term, or maybe eliminate, or maybe cancel. You know, those people that like to nowadays the cancel culture thing. Anyway, as you can see, right, I'm conservative. I am pulling stuff up all over the place about cancel culture, diversity and inclusion, all that, right? So I mean, but I again, that's what it's called conservative engineering academy. So just the name, you can actually assume I am assuming that I'm a Christian. I am 100% believing, Bible believing Christian, right? When I think that people will not inherit the kingdom of heaven if they don't live the holy life. So therefore, I would have to put it that way: that homosexuals will not inherit the kingdom of heaven, which they will go to hell if they don't repent. Right? But anyway, this is I don't want to go off topic a little bit because um, again, this is an engineering class, so it's going to circuits. It's circuits class, but anyway, um, I have to put it over there, just in case you want to just, click off on the video, whatever you have to do. Honestly, I am not here to be famous, right? If I have to tell you that I love you in Jesus Christ, but if you don't repent because of your sin, right? You sin and you're homosexual, or you're like whatever, a lesbian or a potty mouse, or I have to tell you that you will go to hell, and I love you in Jesus Christ, right? But I still have to tell you we'll go to hell. So, but anyway, so we will do this problem, right? So superposition tell us that we need to do some steps. So the steps, right? The step to follow, right? So a step to follow are turn off all independent except one source, right? So one is turn on all independent sources except one source. This is step one, right? Cancel, right? Step one is turn off one, right? I guess turn off would be a better than a cancel, right? Cancel term, right? And and then and it says follow, follow, follow the techniques, right? This is part of this, right? Follow the text, follow the technique, learn in chapter 1 and 2. Right? So this is the second step, right? So now, and as if you have the same book, you can follow. If not, I mean, this is like I said, you don't have to be, you have this book, you can follow the steps on chapter 1 and 2. Okay, so that is, and then, and then two, repeat step 1, right? And then 2, repeat step 1, right? And follow the same thing, right? Three, find the contribution by adding algebraically the contribution due to the independent sources, right? Find, find the contribution, find the contribution, right? By adding, right? By adding by adding all J break. Okay. By adding algebraic, algebraically, all the contributions and all the contributions, right? All the contributions due to the independent sources, right? Due to the due to the independent sources. Right. So this one is kind of important step, right? Step 3, because we have to add the contributions of each independent source, right? So independent sources are current sources and voltage sources that are real voltage and current sources. They are not like depending on each on another source, right? That's an independent source. That's what I call independent source. Now, let's start with this example real quick. So, okay, so we we have this. So we have a resistor like this, right? And we have positive and negative, right? And this is called VO, right? And you can find out why is it called V out, right? Because it's something that we need to find, right? It's right there. It's the little thing, right? And it go like this, another resistor part in series with that. And this is a 2 ohm, resistor, and this is a 3 ohm resistor, right? Now, from this, we go and we hit this little node and we go down, and it's going to have something like this, right? So it's going to have something like this, and it's going to have something like that, and that is a 5 amps source, right? So we have one source already. Um, then we have another resistor like that, and that is a 5 ohm resistor. And then we have another source, but in this case it's a voltage source, and it goes like this. Right. So now this node right here, you can put a reference, you can put a ground over here, whatever you want to do, just to have a reference, not in there. But this guy is a 12 volt, right? You can say that's a 12 volt battery, whatever, right? Okay, so now we have this, right? Now we need to cancel one of them, right? You know, want to eliminate this one, right? Um, all right, let's say that this is a, I don't know, can't really, maybe it's a conservative guy, right? Right now, we need to eliminate. Maybe this guy is a Trump follower, right? We need to get rid of it. Right, so in order to do that, let's say that this is a Trump follower, right? So we need to cancel it by getting a short circuit. There's a wire. So what we do is like this, right? So let's do it like this, like that, right? So let's actually, you know what? Let me just eliminate this. This is a Trump follower. Let's do this. Right? Yeah. So this is the game of the Trump follower. So um, let's cancel this guy. Yeah. Right. I guess hopefully you two will see that, right? Okay. So let's cancel this guy. So we want to go ahead and cut this off, right? So what we'll do is like this, right? So we will do it like this, um, keeping the resistor, and then keeping the resistor, and then keeping, and then we are going to open, right? Now we get a bridge over here, right? So that means that this guy right here, this guy that was a Trump follower, we cut off the bridge. That's what can't really jump, right? Can't really go across. We have a bridge in here. We just got rid of the bridge. Can't really go over the reef, at least swim, right? The guy, the Trump follower had to swim in order to, in order to go across over here. But anyway, so we cut it off, right? We're gonna do it like this. Yeah. So five ohms, right? And then I have 3 ohms, and I have 2 ohms, right? Plus or minus. Actually, it's minus and plus. Minus, plus, and it's be off. Right. So we keeping the Democrat guy, right now. Keeping the Biden follower. Right. So we're keeping this guy. Right. So like this. So now we have this, right? So we have five plus and minus, right? And then we have a 12 volts. So now we are going to use this Biden, this liberal guy, the liberal guy, to kind of help us out to solve this problem, right? So, okay, so let's do it. So, okay, so then we need to find something that's called a current. We can say that we can say that um, we can say that I, right? We can call it I1, right? Because it's one loop. I1, right? I1 times 2, right? So, right. So I1 times 2, right? With this guy, plus I1 times 3 is this guy, plus I1 times the guy, right? Plus the liberal guy that is here, is equal to 0, right? Now, so we we have right here, which is called KCL, right? It's KCL. Now, so right here, what we can do is we enter this guy, right? One, right? So next one we have what? We have 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, I1 plus the liberal guy, right? It's equal to 0. Now take the liberal guy in the other side, and then this is going to be I times 10, I1 times 10, right? Is equal to minus on the other side liberal guy. This guy became a negative now. It's weird, isn't it? It became a negative. Not really happy. Okay, so now this guy, this liberal guy right here is negative, this voltage source, right, that we had over here, that now we divide it by 10, right, to find the current. And we get that the current is equal to negative 1.2 amps. Okay, so now we have so we have a current, right? Now we can say that we are interested in this guy, right? We can see that we can we can write that little Kirchhoff's voltage law. I would say V out plus I1 R is equal to 0. Now, taking this to the other side, we get that V naught, right? And actually, you can put V naught 1, right? Because technically, V out is going to be V naught 1 plus V naught 2, right? We need to find those. We just find this guy right now. So now this guy is going to be equal to, if I take this to the other side, right? I1R, the other side, this is going to be equal to, negative, negative R, negative I1, right? I1R, right? On the other side. Okay, so now we have something, right? Now, If I put this guy in, right, into I, right? But remember, this is already has a negative value. So I can say that V not 1 is equal to negative, right? Negative I, but this I is already negative. So then what? Then I'm going to put the value of that, which is going to be 1, negative 1.2, and the value of this V naught, the resistor, is 2, right? So I get that 2 like that, right? So when I do this mathematics, when I do this math, um, so when I do that, yeah, I'm not sure. So go ahead, right? So is equal to V naught 1 is equal to positive 2.4 volts. Right, so this is V naught 1. Okay, so now we're going to switch, right? So we, now the Trump guy is going to be this one. So no, this one. Because we did, so we cancel this guy out. We apply the cancel culture to this one. Now we apply the cancel culture to this one right here. Cancel him out, right? And block him from Twitter. Yeah, yeah. Making sure that he doesn't get access to Facebook and Twitter. This guy. Yeah, Twisted Twitter actually. You know what? Now that Elon Musk owns Twisted Twitter, I might try to get my accounts back. Maybe Twisted Twitter was twisted, but maybe Elon Musk is the owner now. Maybe he's untwisted it. I don't know. I, I mean, I was not canceled though. Actually, I just got rid of it because this was twisted anyway. So, but anyway, that's another thing. So, okay, so now we are going to apply. We're going to apply the cancel culture to this guy. Right. So now cancel culture to this one. We apply the cancel culture to this one by making a short circuit. This one, we had a juice going over here, like water. We had a juice going in. So in this case, we have potential in between these 2 points, and we had a potential in these 2 points. So therefore, we need to have an open a short circuit, making it a wire, right? In this case, because we had a juice going like a current going through, like a water in a pipe, right? In order to get cut off that water, you need to cut off the pipe. We need to make it open circuit. Okay, so now um, we need to cancel this guy out. Okay. Great. So applying the cancel culture. Right. So applying the cancel culture to this guy, we get that we get that this guy is like this, right? So this is okay, so this is V out, this is positive. Actually, this is negative. This is positive. And then we have actually we have right like that. Right. So now this guy, we leave him alone, right? And then this guy get Replace that guy with a church circuit. Now this guy has been canceled out, right? So 2, 3, and 5. So now this guy doesn't have access to Twitter, Twisted Twitter, no Facebook, and all that. Cancels him out, right? Okay, so now we have a circuit that technically we have a current going on. It goes like this. We can call that I2, right? We have another current coming in this direction. It's called that I1, right? So you can see that I have and the one that I care is one of them. This one is the one that I care, right? I don't care about this too much. Um, hold on a second. Yeah. So okay. So yeah. So this guy, like I say, doesn't have access to Twister Twitter, or I call it also fake book, and also I call it hell book, right? Because other people are going to go to hell because they are in Facebook. Anyway, um, think, well, people go to hell not because they're in Facebook, but what they're learning in Facebook. That makes sense. Okay. But anyway, so because the Bible says that anything that will contaminate your mind, right? We should be staying away from it. If you learn like many things in hell book, of course, that is your hell book. It's going to, yeah, your name is going to be written in the hell book, right? In the book of life. Anyway, so this one right here is, so now we care about this guy, right? We don't care too much about this. What we can do is follow current division, right? Current division to say that I1, right, is going to be equal to this I going in up, right? I source, right? I source, the liberal guy now, this is the liberal guy, um, multiplied by the one that I don't care, right? This is the one that I don't care, divided by the one that I care. And the one I care is about these two guys right here. So, but I still have to consider that one at the bottom. So I have to do it like this. So it's going to be current division is going to be I source, right? 5 amps, right? Times 5 ohms, right? That I don't care on the top, divided by 5, right? Plus 2 plus 3, those two right there, which is equal to what? Is equal to 25, right? Over 10, which is equal to 2.5 amps, right? 2.5 amps. So it's 2.5 amps. Here, so 2.5 amps, right? Okay, so now I have that, right? And see how I cancel the conservative guy, and I use it to help the liberal guy out. See, that's how the yeah, CNN and MSNBC and all those, that's how they work. They cancel the conservative guys out. They want to help the yeah, and you want to help the liberal guys, all right? Yeah. Anyway, so so yeah, because if we are conservative, basically you saying, oh, it's conservative guy. They yeah, so they yeah. But anyway, I don't want it just goes to my thing, right? But anyway, so I use the conservative guy, eliminating him by canceling him out, right? And that really allowed me to find the current in that. Now, so now I got I1, right? This one, the one that I care, right? So now what I can do right here is B2, right? B not 2, right? B not 2 is equal to this resistor right here, right? Times the current, which is going to be 2.5 times 2, right? Which is equal to 5 volts. Right. Now I have 5 volts plus 2.4 volts, and we say that the arrow is equal to V naught 1 plus V naught 2, right? So V out is going to be equal to, 5. 5 plus 2.4 is equal to 7.4 volts. So we found the answer, right, of this. And how we did? Well, by playing what Hello Book and Twisted Twitter and MSNBC and CNN, they do. Yeah, they used the conservative guys in order to, eliminate them, cancel them out in order to help the other side out, right? Help Biden out. But in this case, unfortunately, I cancel most of them. So that's kind of weird, isn't it? This became a conservative guy the first time, and then this I could go too. It would be nice, right? It would be nice if justice would be like that, right? But unfortunately, it doesn't work. In this case, I have to apply the same rule on Bob. Eliminate this guy, cancel him out, and then cancel this guy out, right? But that is the answer. Hopefully, you learn something about this, the superposition, right? And I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you're a leader, well, you will not be enjoying too much this video, I will say. I'm sorry, I am a conservative guy. First, I'm a Christian. First, I'm a Christian and then a conservative. So I want to make myself clear at that point. So, thank you for watching. See you next video. God bless you.